Okay, y'all, I am in love with the Samsung AI washing machine and dryer. I know what they say about Samsung, but I haven't had any issues. My last washing machine and dryer was from Amazon. Didn't give me any problems whatsoever. So, of course, I got the AI Bespoke in the color ivory. I still have to get the pedestals before they stop selling the color because I was dead set on having hunter green, and by the time I went to purchase, they were not selling hunter green anymore. So I definitely need to get the bases just to make sure I have them in before. And one of the things I love about this washer is this. You can pre-fill the dispensers for the softener and the regular detergent, and then when you need to add bleach, you can add it into here. But this whole container keeps the detergent. So this is the laundry detergent and this is the fabric softener, which I gotta add some more. Glad I looked. So you just fill it in and it auto dispenses, y'all. Like, who wouldn't want that? And then what I love about Samsung, I love a company that does install, because I don't know what I'm doing, you know? So they did install with this. On the screen, it shows you the levels of the two. It texts you when you hook it up to your phone to let you know a load is finished. You can choose for the door to auto open or shut when it's done. I have mine on auto open for the washing machine, and I'm gonna do it for the dryer as well, just so like if I forget to come and change out, that my clothes don't soil as fast as when the door is shut. So it's pretty deep for the one that I got for both of them, because I already know I wash a lot of stuff, y'all. I don't be having time. I want one load and done. But these are the cycles. I always do the AI Opti Wash. I think it kind of gauges how big the load is and adjust it for that. You can do small load. If you're trying to wash something super fast, you can do super speed. The steam allergen is for like if you have like a puppy, or like with my aunt, my little brother has dogs, so she always did steam allergen on the stuff she washed them with. So if it had any type of bugs or anything in there, it's really good. They have steam wipes, heavy duty bedding, and then if you use Tide Pods, I guess they have a contract in their sink in some type of way. But you can use that for Tide Pods. And then they have steam sanitized towels, outdoor. Okay, so when you're ready to wash, I just go to more cycles. I don't dry on normal. I do Opti Dry as well. So you hit more cycles, Opti Dry, and it tells you how much time it takes, what heat level is on. And then you just press play and it starts. So they have a lot of options for this, for the washer. And on the dryer, it's the same. It'll tell you when you need to clean the vent out, how much wattage you've used this month versus last month, and then the different type of cycles as well. So yeah, I love it, y'all. I've had no problems with it. Check them out. Okay, and for a new load of laundry, I'm just gonna put some of these in there. That's the only thing I manually add. Click Opti Wash and then start. And it starts on its own. And what I love about this, you can pause it if you forget to put something in the washer, which is really good because most washing machines lock down. So this one actually have where you can pause and add or take things out during the wash. Y'all, and that Opti Dry just gets the clothes really dry and fluffy. I just love it. Okay.